Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about some tips for real estate investment. Do your research. Before making any investment, it's important to thoroughly understand the market you're entering and the property you're considering. This includes researching the location, the local economy, and the potential for appreciation. Create a budget and stick to it. Real estate investing can be expensive, so it's important to set a budget and stick to it. This will help you avoid overspending and ensure that you are making financially sound investments. Consider hiring a real estate agent. A real estate agent can help you find properties that meet your investment criteria and negotiate the best price on your behalf. They can also provide valuable insights into the local market and help you navigate the buying process. Be patient. Real estate investing is a long-term game, so it's important to be patient and not get caught up in the hype. It can take time to find the right investment property and to see a return on your investment. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your real estate portfolio can help mitigate risk and increase your chances of success. Stay up to date on market trends. The real estate market is constantly changing, so it's important to stay informed about trends and developments that could affect your investments. Know your exit strategy. Before making an investment, it's important to have a plan in place for how you will eventually sell the property or exit the investment. This will help you make informed decisions about the type of property to invest in and how to maximize your return. Understand the tax implications. Real estate investing can come with significant tax benefits, but it's important to understand how these will affect your overall financial plan. Consider working with a financial advisor or tax professional to understand the tax implications of your investments. Consider the costs of owning a rental property. If you're considering investing in rental properties, it's important to understand the costs associated with being a landlord. This includes things like maintenance, repairs, and vacancy costs. Make sure you have a plan in place to cover these expenses and still turn a profit. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Whether you're buying a property to flip or as a rental, it's important to be willing to negotiate to get the best deal possible. Don't be afraid to make a lower offer or ask for concessions, such as closing costs or repairs to be made by the seller. We hope these tips are helpful as you consider real estate investing. As always, it's important to do your own research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. By following these tips, you can set yourself up for success in the world of real estate investing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and insights.